Hello everybody, today we're in Torremolinos. I thought I'd do a little video. It's a Sunday, the weather's changing a little bit since I left Malaga. Malaga was really quite warm, so I'm in Torremolinos today and I thought I'd have a walk up to the old town and do a little video on the way. Okay, enjoy it. So I just left the train station's here. They're still done a lot of work on the square. They've been doing it for quite a while. I'm not really sure how long it'll be going on for, but anyway, we're going to carry on walking up to the old town in Torremolinos. See, it's getting a bit cloudy here. Let's tell you a little bit about this place. This used to be a nightclub. It used to be called Venya, and then it became a cinema, and it's been closed for years and years and years. Not really sure what sign I've got up there at the moment, but something about voltage or something. They called it after that. Okay, the clouds are opening a little bit. We're gonna walk along here and we're gonna head up towards the old town of Torremolinos. Here we have another old nightclub. Used to be called Pipers. Used to have a big sign there. Used to say Pipers there, or Peepers if you're Spanish. This has been closed for a long time, very, very long time. And over there, Metropolis. We go this way. Got an English bar here. Careful steps. So it's May time, the 11th of May, and this is what the weather's like this time of year. Getting a little bit windy. This is a gourmet market here in Torremolinos. You've got the Ponderosa here, a nice Spanish restaurant. Very recommended if you're in Torremolinos. They do a menu as well. So we're going to go upwards and onwards to the old town. So we're going up towards an area called Calvario, which is the old town, the old part of Torremolinos. It's a Sunday today, lots of shops closed, mainly restaurants are open. This restaurant used to be called Lanjaron. It was two restaurants, and I think The older one still exists, and it should be next door, unless it's changed. So this is Argentinian good, yes, still here, Lanjaron, and they're really popular. They were really popular when I started coming here to Torremolinos. They do a menu of the day as well, and here we go. So as I said, it's Sunday today. Bit of a walk, not too steep. Steep enough. The weather's quite perfect actually. Bit of a cool breeze. It's about 23 degrees today. That's where we just walked up. So it's a quaint little, I wouldn't say village, it's just like a barrier and an area. It's an old fountain here, not really sure if it's working. Looks a bit dry. Oh, it's working. Okay. That's the name of the place, El Calvario, and this is the fountain of Calvario, Fuente? Fountain. Very old fountain here. See by the old photos here. And that's a part of El Calvario as well. So the last time I was up here, I can't remember if I did a live video, and there's a park on the right hand side. They hadn't quite yet finished, and I think it is now. I think it's finished now, or has been finished. Have nice bars that sell churros, which is like kind of a donut kind of thing, I would say. It's hard to explain it. So we're coming up to the park on the right hand side. You can see it's all finished now. And this is something, I'm going to just turn to the right and check out this mural here on the wall. Pretty fantastic. What I do want to try, I want to check out right now, check out, is a bar that's been changed from a 100 Montelitos to another thing. I can see it right there. It's called Los Pepitos, and they basically do the same thing with the cheap beers, and I think they do snacks as well. Let's check it out. I think it's waiter service as well, so that's good. 100 montaditos. They don't give you waiter service. Some of the other artists who were sitting here before. So this is a view of the square here in El Calvario. So they do a Cruz Campo, €2. They do different thingies. So they call people's names. They do salads and burgers and tortilla, that kind of thing. So I think I'm going to have to go inside. It doesn't look like there's any service here. So it's called Los Pepitos. So the beer is the same size as the old 100 montaditos glasses, same glasses basically. They're not 54 centiliters, but it's €2. €2, and it's Cruz Campo as well, same as in 100 montaditos. So we're gonna try this. Okay, so nice cold beer today. Yes, it's Cruz Campo, and as I said, €2, same size as the ones in 100 montaditos, the old size. So the only problem with that side of the square is that they don't seem to get the sun. But anyway, so I'm going to start walking back down as if I'm going towards the train station. So I'm going to take a slight detour. We're going to take a look down the side streets here, see what's going on. This is still part of the Calvario area. So as you can see, there's no big apartment blocks here, so they're all basically three floor. There's two there. They're not really huge apartment blocks that you might find in Malaga. You have some with terraces on the top as well. Maybe we're starting to see a few more higher apartment blocks now. So now we're walking towards an area that I know really well, because when we first came over here, we had a bar. We had a couple of bars, me and my parents, and well, Dad's stepmom. One of them was here just as I'm walking down, still in El Calvario. So I actually thought I was in a different area, but it's going to show you something here. When I first moved to Spain, in 1990. Met quite a few great people. And here, somewhere on the right hand side, there used to be a bar called the Happy Hangover, and it was one of these, and I'm trying to remember which one it was. So we're walking down from Calvario. I don't think this is now called that. Ooh, pigeon. Just so it's one of these. I think it's the one, maybe. This one here with the black railings, whatever you want to call them. So yeah, I think it's one of these. It's definitely one of those, obviously. And there used to be buildings here, like offices here, and they've pulled it all down. And they're talking about building apartment blocks there. And it's been like this for a long, long time. So there used to be offices and everything, so I'm gonna just turn the corner and show you where our bar used to be. So, just trying to, so where this place is, the hair care place, used to be a bar. If I'm right, I'm not, might be further up actually. Just trying to work out where I am. And let me just suss out where I am. I think it was probably actually the next door, come to think of it. It's one of these anyway. So you walk down here, you go to the train station in Torremolinos. I think it's this one actually. Could be this. But anyway, that was where a bar called Rex's used to be. And yeah. So I'm going to end the video before it gets too boring. It's just basically me walking around an area that I used to know years ago. I still know, obviously. I live in Malaga. This is Torremolinos. It's the El Calvario area. Try saying that after a few drinks. But here I am, just having a bit of a walkabout. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like all my videos. And don't forget to watch them all from beginning to end. Bye for now.